trees, one of the most useful is this old birch tree. Today I'm going to show you how to use the bark. We're not going to take from this living tree, no. What we're looking for is dead trees, like these here. If you notice this one, the tree's rotten and gone all punky, but the bark is still in decent condition. That's because of the oils. It's these same oils that preserve the bark are the same oils that make it flammable. Right, this is looking promising. We'll try this one. Should work a treat. Now we've got our bark from a dead tree. We can go back and process it. Just always remember, from a dead tree, never take bark from a living tree. Alright, I'm going to grab some of this. See how it's just peeling off nicely. That'll come in handy. So we've got our birch bark that we've collected from the dead tree. And we're going to use this bit to scrape up. And this bit we're going to tear into strips. Extend the flame when it's done. Just got a pole that we collected earlier from the tree. Now you can light these directly with a lighter because of the oils that are in it. As you can see, birch bark has a habit of curling up on itself once it's lit. So to prevent that, you can fold it. Just kind of, they call it concertina, zigzag, sort of folds. Just gives it more structure, makes it more rigid. And then as you can see, it's folded up a bit at the start, but it's generally holding its shape. So to be able to light this with this, it's going to need some prep. Remember this little tip. If your knife's not in your hand, it's in a sheath. It's not in the sheath, it's in your hand. Knife safety, people. So, you need to scrape your bark up. This is the outside of the bark, the silver side. And what you're trying to do is create nice little shavings and dust. Like saturating the oil. I'll take a spark from the ferrocerium rod. Careful with your fingers. On a windy day, it's good to try and keep them attached so the wind don't blow them away. Try not to lose them as I turn it round. When you think you've got enough, do more. So using the end point of my knife, I'm just going to scrape a little bit of the ferrocerium into the pile. There you go. Put my knife away and start extending that flame. Okay. Carefully put that into there. The rest of the birch bark. First stage. We're away. So I hope you like that. Thank you for watching. Give us a good thumbs up. If you want to see more, please do subscribe. Till next time, cheers.